Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna be driving in the countryside. I'm just gonna show it now. As you can see, give me a minute. Go one. Now for the second shoe. Do the exact same we did earlier. And boom, bang. I'm gonna take the shoe off. And yeah, so we're just in the countryside. In the countryside. That's in the countryside. Just in the countryside, just waiting to go, just waiting to go. Should we put the music on when we get it? So this is my car, that's where the driver sits. No, don't call the car right now, there's DCR. There's the way, so let's wait for the driver. So I'm going to pause it again for a second. Let's put the music on.
Visits by appointment.
Hits Radio.
Recording because I want to record the countryside. The countryside, what a beautiful place with the car was just speeding along this countryside. Very hot. And I am in my car. So if I was wondering where I am, I'm in my car. And there's music in the background. So yeah. We're just traveling in the countryside. Look at all the green leaves. What a wonderful sight. Do-da-ba-da-ba-da-do. Carry do-da-dee-da-dee. Do-da-doo-dee-doo. Pack a chicken, pussy, eh-oh, eh-oh. Kissy, eh-oh, eh-oh. Go like go get by yeah. Still go be the go get us. Let's just get this shoe on. Who's Susie Clay? I got Minecraft shoes. Look at those shoes. Yeah. Let's listen to some music.
Bards, which last around
Well,
5
it's
months
the
before they start to
yeah.
disintegrate. Now in its 14th year, the steam this time around is embracing the world of entertainment. Free of your energies. Absolutely expect this and a Muppet Show legend, Miss Piggy, all in sand. So to celebrate the start of the Sand Sculpture Festival, I'd like you to pick a song and take it to the coast. For example, Alanis Morissette
It's
with
done in like
Sand in
big,
My Pocket.
just like big flats and stuff.
Producer Nick. Wings with Seagull of Kintyre, or one of my favourites, I have to say, Motorhead with Ace of Bucket and Spades. Good work. So take a song title, take it to the coast. Text me now for our national anthem. Text 61054. Start your message with Claire. You can WhatsApp or voice note a message 0333 2020
I am on the
402
road.
or
Yeah.
email Claire
Right.
at
Where do I go?
greatesthitsradio.co.uk.
I think she said
Pick a
first.
song title.
Those two going out, have quick up.
What?
I think she did the first exit.
Oh.
That's what I think she did.